Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to work on the bullet functionality. So in the previous video we shoot our bullet, but we had some problems. So in this video we are going to fix all of that problems. Now the first problem is that when we shoot our bullet, if we are facing the right direction, the bullet but goes smoothly. But if we are facing towards the left side, now here is the problem. So here is our bullet spawn. So hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before proceeding to the video, I just want you guys to know about my multiplayer course. So I have created a multiplayer course with over 40 plus lectures, and you can see that it's more than 6 hours of lectures on multiplayer game development using Photon 2, which is the latest version in 2019. So this is the very detailed course, and there are some free videos. You can take that, visualize this in the scene window. Now so you can see that here is our bullet spawn point, which is at correct location if we are facing towards right side. Now but when we flip the sprite, now you can see that we have flipped the sprite, but the bullet spawn is still there. So the bullet is always going to spawn from that position. So to fix that, what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate that bullet spawn point, and we are going to rename it left. Now you can just go to the x-axis, and if I put minus, you will see that this bullet point is now at the exact correct location. So what we are going to do, actually we are going to have two spawn points, one for the right and one for the left. So if we are facing towards the left side, we are going to spawn the bullet by using that spawn point. So let's rename the old one to right, like that, and make sure to hit apply button so our changes gets applied. Now let's go back to our script, and we are going to go to my player script. Now in here, where we are instantiating the bullet, you can see we are just putting the bullet spawn position. So we are going to actually duplicate this variable and get reference to our left spawn point. So I am going to change it to left. Now in the shoot function, we are going to have a simple if statement. So if the sprite dot flip x, so sr dot flip x is equals to true, or you can simply put sr dot flip x, but I'm going to do that like that. And if it is true, then it means we have changed the direction. So I am going to copy this line, put it right here, and instead of bullet spawn, we are going to put bullet spawn left. And in the else statement, so if the flip is not flipped, now we are going to cut that line by Control X and put it in the else statement. Now save the script, and let's go back to our editor, and we are going to assign this. So on our player script, the bullet spawn should be here. So we have an error. So let's see what is this error. So it is saying that the bullet, so actually what we are going to do is we are going to declare that right here like that, and just use it like that. So because it was out of the scope, so that's why we were getting the compile time error. Now it should be fixed. Now let's go back and let it compile. So let's assign that spawn point. So here is the left one we are going to put here. Now save the game, and now make sure to hit apply and delete the player from our hierarchy. But before doing that, there is another problem with our bullet actually. So let's drag the bullet into the hierarchy, and we are going to set it to is trigger property to true. So we don't want our bullet to add any force to our players, so that's why is trigger we are going to set it to true. Now make sure to hit apply button and delete the bullet, and also delete the player. Now I am going to build it, and let's see what happens. So I built the game, and now we are going to control this instance. So let's see, yes, we can move fine. And now if I press control, you can see we can shoot right and also towards the left. So same thing here, same thing here, we can shoot and shoot. That's it for this video, and please check the description for all the links. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to support, the link is in the description. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.